Hey there, thanks for clicking and welcome to the last HISD Now of 2025. Now, before we head off for winter break, a few highlights and celebrations to share with you from across the district, plus a message to our staff and families from Superintendent Mike Miles, and a few quick important reminders. Now, let's get into it. It is Friday, December 19th. Well, check it out, a festive morning around HISD today. Staff gathered here at the Hattie Educational Support Center for a light breakfast, festive treats, and even some fun, ugly holiday sweaters. It was a great way to celebrate the incredible work of our teams and to kick off the holiday season together. Superintendent Mike Miles also shared this message with us for our families.
I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I hope you'll stay safe. I hope you'll take the time to be with family and friends and kind of forget about school for a little bit and just enjoy the holidays. I also know that Christmas is a time for getting presents and gifts and all the excitement of the holidays, but it's also a time to reflect and to think about others a little bit and make sure that you take care of your siblings, your parents, and your friends. So I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and come back safe.
He also shared this message for our teachers and staff.
Teachers and staff, Merry Christmas. I know it's been a hard semester. It always is when you're in the education profession and you've worked really hard, and this is a well-deserved break. Judging by our IRT scores, student achievement scores, you've been working really hard and doing a great job. So now's the time to relax. Now's the time not to do any work over the holidays and be with family and friends. Really, and reflect on the spirit of Christmas, not just all the holiday movies and the food and all of that. I hope you enjoy your time with family and friends and come back safe.
Well, as part of the Houston Promise, a local university is stepping up to support one of our schools. Now, take a look. The University of Houston downtown making that partnership official today with a kickoff event at Dogan Elementary. Representatives from UHD worked with teachers during a professional development session and then wrapped up the day by celebrating with students that is, with a pep rally and a pizza party. Now, students also met with UHD's mascot educator and heard from college students who once attended the school. Now, UHD plans to continue supporting the school next year with campus beautification projects and additional teacher training.
Part of the HISD Promise is that we actually get to be adopted by a business partner or community member. So what luck. As a UHD alma mater, I got UHD. I don't know if it was planned or divine intervention, but UHD was our partner, and they're doing a celebration for our students, as well as a celebration for our teachers to celebrate their hard work as well.
We have a partnership, and we want to really develop that partnership with Dogan to help support the work that's being done here. But right now, this is a time for celebration. And then as we are continuing throughout the academic year, we'll work together with the teachers and the students to provide professional development, to provide support for the students, and to make that connection to UHD. So again, we have a pipeline with our teachers as well as with our students.
The Houston Promise is our commitment to have all A and B rated schools by August 2027. Go to our website and click on the Houston Promise to learn more. Well, this week on Campus Close-Up, we're featuring Briargrove Elementary. Marissa Duke is a first grade teacher. Our latest story takes you inside the campus, where we talked with first grade teacher Marissa Duke about her experience teaching at Briargrove and the joy of watching her students grow over the years. Now, Marissa also serves as the school's cheer coach, and the cheer team surprised us with a very special performance. The story's up on the channel right now. And if you're part of the Briargrove community, be sure to check out the Briargrove playlist on our YouTube channel to see all the stories that we shared this week. A few reminders before we go. Now remember, school choice is open right now, and you can fill out the application online anytime during the break. We've got the links to the school choice website and the application in the description of this video right here. And our next school choice fair is in January at Sharpstown High School. If you need help in person or if you have any questions. options. And our Sunrise Centers will be closed for winter break from December 22nd through January 5th. Now, we're asking any families needing assistance to reach out to our Sunrise Centers right now before the 22nd. Anytime after that, families are advised to visit the Houston Food Bank or to call 211. We've also got all of those links for you in the description. And before we go, be sure to check out my conversation with Superintendent Mike Miles. We talked about some recent district accomplishments, and he even shared a quick outlook for the year 2026. And speaking of 2026, what a year this year has been right here in HISD. Now, we started the school year strong with impressive accountability results, with so many of our schools moving up and earning A or B ratings. And for the first time ever, 0 F-rated schools across HISD. Now, that's incredible progress and something that we should all be proud of. Now, we also launched the Houston Promise this year, our bold commitment to having all HISD schools rated an A or B by 2027. A big thank you to our Houston Promise partners who have already committed to giving back to our schools. And our family and community engagement team continued connecting with our families in new and unique ways, from parent university workshops and family resources to outreach like Beyond the Grades school visits, helping our parents get the tools and support they need to be better partners in their children's education. Now, that's just some of the incredible work happening right here in HISD, and we'll have plenty more in 2026. Now, if you're new here, hit subscribe so you know when new content goes up. We've got a few news stories coming your way even during the break right here on our YouTube and on our social media channels. But our daily HISD Now videos will be back in 2026. Now remember, HISD offices reopen on Monday, January 5th, and classes resume on Tuesday, January 6th, 2026. Enjoy the break, happy holidays, and we'll see you next year.